Are electric planes cheaper to get your pilot's license in than a traditional petrol aircraft? Well, it's a yes and no answer. Yes, because regular general aviation flight schools are operating very old design aircraft, which usually have a pretty high running cost, sometimes $200, $300, $400 an hour cost of operations. So they're going to charge you $500 or $600 an hour for pilot training by the time you factor in landing fees and the instructor's time. Now, the sport category, which gives you the same level of qualifications up to your first 100 hours, the aircraft operating in the sport category are typically much more efficient. The most common ones are Rotax engine aircraft. Now, when compared to a Rotax engine aircraft, the electric is only marginally cheaper because the costs that are adding up there are the instructor's time, that's the biggest cost, your landing and handling fees at the airport, and things like hangarage, the just general upkeep, cleaning the aircraft, processing, booking, all of that sort of stuff, administration things. So when compared to a Rotax trainer aircraft, they're actually quite similar in cost for your first, say, 20 to 30 hours. However, does start getting cheaper for you in the electric plane after you go solo and you take the instructor out of the equation. When you've first gone solo and you're doing solo circuit consolidation or you're doing solo area consolidation, you've got your certificate and you're out there practicing, building confidence and building your skills, then it becomes cheaper because we can cross hire these aircraft to you in Perth or Melbourne, the electric trainer aircraft and recreational aircraft. You can hire them for $190 an hour, including your fuel, which is electricity, including landing and handling fees. So you can access these lower cost, lower emissions, lower noise, more comfortable electric aircraft to consolidate and develop your skills and confidence in at a much lower cost than those legacy aircraft that I mentioned before that are costing $300, $400, $500 an hour. Google it. I promise you, that's the current price in AUD of cross hire of something like a Cessna 172 at a busy city airport. Whereas the cross hire of an aircraft like this, for you to private hire, you're only paying $190 per hour, including landing fees and energy. No extra fuel costs, no GST, no catches. Much more efficient for you to recreationally aviate or to build your skills. Get on over to the links below and see where you can find these amazing planes. Learn to fly in the electric, and you will also, as a part of that curriculum, do some of your training in a petrol aircraft. So when you've got your certificate in the electric enabled flight schools, you can actually fly electric or petrol planes, which no other flight school can offer because none of them have electric aircraft. So get on over to the Sky Academy, check out our partners, fly in Perth or Melbourne with us, learn to fly the future of aviation at a lower cost with a more comfortable and more fun experience. Follow us on all the socials. We want to see you here and share all the amazing things we're up to with electric aviation in Australia. See you again soon.